Right, cool. So sesobuka example lethu yesibili, okay? We are required to calculate the possible values of A if the length of DB is 2 root 10, okay? So we've got our line here, we've got our coordinates of D lapha, and then we've got our coordinates of B over there, okay? So again, I do challenge you guys to actually pause the video yakho kulesigaba, try and attempt it lapho ekhaya, and then see ukuthi you can actually calculate yini ama possible values of A, okay? Then as soon as you're done, then you can actually resume the video bese siyaqhubeka ke siyabala, okay? Right, so again, the first thing we do is we actually denote our coordinates, right? So we've got our x1 there, our y1, so we know x2 and our y2, okay? So right, so sema ukuthi ke sinikezwe i-length kukuthi coordinates elilodwa elishodayo, we make use of our distance formula. We make use of our distance formula to calculate the missing coordinates, right? So this will be equals to x2 minus x1, right, all squared, plus y2 minus y1 all squared, guys, okay? Then basically it's square d, so plug in our distance. So our distance inikeziwe nansi u2 root 10, so soba no 2 root 10 is equals to, and then we plug in all our other coordinates. So x2 to x2 ubani u2. So basically sizoba no 2, right, at 2 minus x1 wethu ubani u minus 4. So let's bona khona x1 sofaka bani u minus 4, right, and then all this is squared plus y2 wethu ubani u a minus y1 wethu ubani u3, and then all this is squared, guys, okay? So at this stage ngiyathanda ukuthi siqale sisuse nje our root signs. All right, so we're going to square both sides, square this side, square that side, okay? And then u2 root 10 all squared, right? Uyafana no 4 times 10. Uyafana no 4 times 10, because right, so ama-laws ethu of exponents ayasho ukuthi ke lo 2 lo u-apply lapha, apply nala as well. So u2 squared u4 loyo, and then u-root 10 squared u10 loyo. So hence musquarisha lento le answer kuba 4 times 10. Then this will be equals to, and then on this side over here usquare irutane zosuka. Alright, bese sisala nobani no 2 minus into minus 4, okay, all squared. Alright, and then sibe no plus a minus 3 all squared, guys, okay? So we're just going to be doing our multiplication straight across, guys, okay? So lana soba nobani do 4 times 10, which is going to be 40, okay? This will be equals to, I guess senzelana ke, guys. So siyazi ukuthi ama brackets siqala ngawo ilawa la ngaphakathi. So negative times negative will give us a positive. So bese siba no 2 plus 4 kubo 6 loyo, and then 6 all squared kubo bani kubo 36 loyo, okay? And then size ngalam. So we've got a plus, and siyazi ke la say the first thing we do is we square our first term. So mse square issue a siba no bani no a squared, and then bese times alabala ngaphakathi bese times ngo 2. So a times negative 3 is actually negative 3a, and then negative 3a times 2 kubani u minus 6a loyo, okay? And then lastly we square our last term. So negative 3 all squared uba loyo u positive 9, guys, okay? And after this so welisa yonke into ngandawonye. All right, so ngicela ngivumele ukuthi ngiqale ngo a ke ngapha bese zonke inamba ngiyisa ngale. So ngizoba no 0 is equals to, so ngizoqala ngalo la ekuqaleni, so it means ngizoba no a squared, then ngize ngo a, it means ngibe no minus 6a, then bese ngicina ngenamba ke egcineni, right? So ngizoba no positive 9 plus 36, right, minus 48, okay? So our 0 is equals to, ake senza ama like terms again manje. So it's no a squared minus 6a, and then bese sizalana ke. So 9 plus 36 u45 loyo, and then 45 minus 40 uban loyo u5 or positive loyo, okay? Then at this stage sisabona ukuthi it's factorizing time, because no a squared sibe no a sibe ne number egcineni. So we'll have our 0 being equals to, all right, to open our two sets of brackets, okay? Two sets of brackets, right? And therefore sibe no a la no a nangale. So if got a positive there, it means I'm assign eta ayafana, and then uma befana womabili azoba negative. So it means soba no negative la, sibe no negative la. Then ama factors ka 5, mase times asiphume no 5, mase adda mase minus asiphume no 6 or 5 no 1 loyo, okay? And because amasana ayafana, so akunandaba ukuthi ubani simpala ngakuphi. All right? Then at this stage, siyazi ukuthi ke our a minus 5 will be equal to 0, noma a minus 1 will be equal to 0, bese siyatranspose ke. So therefore, u-a wethu uzolingana no 5, noma u-a wethu alingane nobani? No 1, respectively. Okay, so these are the possible values of a, all right? So sesibuka ke isimo sethu ukuthi possibly u-a ngabe ulingana nobani, okay? So here's our line, all right? And then siyabona ukuthi a wethu umele i-y intercept, all right? So umele u-y respectively, okay? So ma ukuthi u-y wethu u-3 laphayana and u-a wethu ungezansi kwaleya y loyana, so it means u-a cannot be equal to 5. So therefore, u-a wethu in this case has to be less than 3, and therefore ulingana nobani? No 1, respectively. Okay. So guys, this brings us to the end of EUC ethu yokuqala ye-distance formula. La khona sisebenzisa ke ukubala ke our missing coordinate. Okay. So we use this makuthi sinikezwe i-distance kwakuthi sishoda ngani nge-coordinate elilodwa. Okay. So, but guys, so but other than this, until we meet again in our next lesson, goodbye for now.